sailors have always looked for new ways to catch fish. Even the earliest lures, from thousands of years ago, often incorporated creative designs. The first lures weren't the bright, colorful curiosities we see today. They were fashioned from bone, fur, and other readily available resources. But even so many years ago, we see examples of evolving designs and the use of new materials. Today, there are countless lures available, each designed to meet individual needs. They are a testament to anglers' craft and innovation. And now, on behalf of the United States Postal Service, I'm pleased to present the Freshwater Fishing Lures Forever stamps. The stamps feature 5 popular examples used in different environments: a crankbait, a popper, a spoon, a spinner, and a weight bait. These stamps celebrate the beauty and the ingenuity behind some of America's most effective lures. You can catch them now at post offices nationwide and on USPS.com.